Welcome to Rome, a city steeped in history, culture, and unparalleled beauty. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Rome's top attractions, share some local tips, and uncover hidden gems that you won't want to miss. On day one, we dive into ancient Rome. Our first stop is the Colosseum, an iconic symbol of Rome's architectural prowess and historical significance. Be sure to book your tickets in advance and consider a guided tour to fully appreciate its grandeur. Next, we explore the Roman Forum, a sprawling area filled with ancient ruins that tell the story of Rome's past. Don't miss the Temple of Saturn and the Arch of Titus, both remarkable landmarks in their own right. We then head to Palatine Hill, offering breathtaking panoramic views and a glimpse into the opulent imperial palaces. Combining a visit to Palatine Hill with the Roman Forum provides a comprehensive experience of ancient Rome. On day two, we visit Vatican City and Trastevere. Start your day at the Vatican Museums and the Sistine Chapel where Michelangelo's masterpiece awaits. To avoid the crowds, try visiting early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Next, explore St. Peter's Basilica, renowned for its stunning architecture and the spectacular view from the dome. Don't forget to check out the Vatican Gardens and the colorful Swiss Guard. Finally, we head to Trastevere, a neighborhood known for its charming streets, local restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Be sure to try authentic Roman dishes like cacio e pepe for a true taste of Rome. Day 3, Baroque Rome and Hidden Gems. Let's start with Piazza Navona, known for its beautiful fountains and lively atmosphere. While you're there, make sure to visit the Church of Sant'Agnese in Agone. Next, we'll explore the Pantheon, marveling at its ancient architecture and significance. Here's a tip: entry is free, and the best time for photos is early morning. Then there's the iconic Trevi fountain. Its stunning design and the tradition of throwing coins make it a must-see. To avoid the crowds, try visiting early in the morning or late in the evening. Now for some hidden gems. The Aventine Keyhole offers a unique view of St. Peter's Dome. The Orange Garden, or Giardino degli Aranci, is perfect for a serene atmosphere and great views. And don't miss the Appian Way, it's ideal for a bike ride along this ancient road. Food and drink in Rome are an experience in themselves. You have to try Roman cuisine with dishes like carbonara, supply, and of course gelato. For fresh produce and street food, head to local markets like Campo dei Fiori and Testaccio Market. And don't forget to sample local wines and enjoy an espresso at traditional cafes. Now, let's talk practical tips. The best time to visit Rome is during spring and autumn when the weather is mild. Getting around is easy with the metro, buses, and plenty of walking. While Italian is the primary language, learning a few basic phrases can be very helpful. For safety, be aware of pickpockets in crowded areas and keep your belongings secure. To wrap it up, Rome is filled with incredible highlights and truly is a must-visit destination. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. We'd love to hear about your favorite Rome experiences, so share them in the comments below.